Type your text. Go to Effect, Path, Outline Object. Go to the Properties panel, and scroll down to Align. Click on the 3 dots. Then click on the striped icon and select Use Preview Bounds. The text is now aligned in the center of the bounding box. Open the Appearance panel. Add 2 new fills. The top fill is the text color, and the bottom fill is the color of the text box. Select the bottom fill. Click on the FX icon. Convert to shape. Choose if you want a rectangle or rounded rectangle. Adjust the settings to your liking. You can edit the text while keeping the text box. And that's how you create a text box.